Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the upgraded portable carpet upholstery cleaner machine, a powerhouse with its 500W motor and 18 kPa suction, perfect for tackling stubborn spots and stains on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. This versatile machine boasts dual large tanks, with a 700 ml dirty water tank and a 1250 ml clean water tank, making filling, draining, and cleaning a breeze, while ensuring your home stays fresh and spotless. Its portable design, featuring an ultra-long hose and power cord, allows for easy maneuverability across multiple surfaces, from living rooms to cars, and even offices. The carpet cleaner is equipped with a 3.5-inch tough stain tool, making it highly effective for permanent stain removal on fabrics like sofas, blankets, and stairs. With the convenience of storing the brush and power cord on the machine's hook, this compact cleaner is both space-saving and efficient. Whether you're dealing with pet stains or everyday spills, this multifunctional tool is your go-to for thorough cleaning. If you have any questions, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you with any concerns or inquiries. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.